It's almost 5 o'clock in the morning. We got here at 3:30 and it is packed. Right now we're standing outside of the gates to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. A lot of people here. Typically they open up at 9 o'clock, but today they opened up at 6, and this is insane. I did not think it was going to be like this. I will say this though, thank God for the pass holder preview that we attended, because this would actually be a little overwhelming. Today, we're going to kind of take it easy. Our plan is to get into Oga's Cantina, probably ride the Millennium Falcon, see some different characters, and just kind of relax and watch the organized chaos happen. It's beautiful. You can hear everybody cheering as they walk through the gate. Man, there's a lot of people. Seeing Batuu off in the distance all lit up like that, that's beautiful. Oh, this is amazing at nighttime. Check this out. Oh, and look up here. That is bad booty. Oh, wow. All right, this is just blowing my mind. This line, we just found out, is the line to queue up for the Millennium Falcon. It stretches the entire length of the park, well, Galaxy's Edge. It goes all the way back there. Look at this. This is insane. We were lucky enough to ride it during the annual pass holder preview event. It just goes. This is like 360 degrees. Way, way back there. Last time we were here, we did not make it into the Droid Depot. Today, we are doing that. Man, those doors are cool. This room right here inside the Droid Depot, you can actually build your own droid here. Look at that. This little workshop area right here. And if you're building droids, you get to pick how your droid looks, because they come out on this conveyor belt. There are droids everywhere, and I gotta say, this is absolutely amazing. It's actually kind of stunning. Wow. I guess this is the grim side of me, or maybe even the dark side, but I looked over here and I thought that was a tombstone, but it's not. It says Jawa Droid Parts Salvage. It does kind of look like a tombstone though. Yep, tombstone.
I just waited in line for like 45 minutes because you guys know how I'm crazy about gift cards, and this is the only store here at the Droid Depot that you can get this at, and it is ancient Black Spire currency?
Batuu Spira.
Batuu Spira. Comes in this pretty little box, and it is actually, you can't take it all the way out, and it's glued in there. You can see that.
It's like a commemorative gift card. How much is it again?
$100 minimum.
But you're going to end up using it here, whether it's like food or whatever.
And you don't have to take it out. There's a scanning thing on the back here. Of course, I can't show you because we're going to use this today. But this is good for all of Disney World, all of Disney property. You can use this everywhere. The Batuu Spira is the ancient currency of Black Spire Outpost. Simply directs merchants to scan this coin, redeem wherever gift cards are accepted.
I'm telling you what, at nighttime, this place is insanely beautiful. Check that out. That is beautiful. And then right over here. Wow.
This is one of the most requested songs here at Oga's Cantina, especially when the boss Oga was going through that humiliating breakup with the Wookiee. I probably shouldn't have said that.
Something that resembles a red Starburst, but this time it comes with a giant cookie on top. It still tastes like a Starburst. It's delicious, so good.
It's just after 6 o'clock in the morning. We just got done visiting Oga's Cantina for the very first time, and I'm just gonna be honest, I really wasn't impressed. It's like walking into a bar with bad music.
Bad club music.
Bad club music. Everything.
They play the little clip from Star Wars like every so often, but it's not a lot.
Yeah, everything was a little overpriced. It took us about 10 minutes in order to pay for things. I mean, I know it's opening day, and everything's always gonna be that packed. Not too fond of it. I know everybody's going crazy for it. Still, my favorite thing here so far is Millennium Falcon. We're going to get to that a little bit later on. But right now, staring at the Millennium Falcon. And it's cool. Even more at night, right? It's gorgeous. And there she is. The Millennium Falcon at night. The mountains are all lit up. This is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful during the daytime. Breathtaking at night. The sun is starting to come up, and the scene here at the marketplace is a lot different than it was for the past Horror Preview Day. It is packed.
Nice data pad. Mind telling us what you're doing with it? Step this way. All right. Carry on. But ease up on the channel scanning. Travelers, all about your business. We'll make it our business if we need to. You know, a Wookiee can pull your arms off.
Typically here at the Grim Life Collective, we lean more towards the dark side. Because with the sun coming up, I feel like now's the perfect time to check out the Resistance part of the park. Crazy beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Just look at all the detail of this place. Crazy cool, right? The sun is officially up here on Batuu, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and I'm heading to meet Jessica, who's been waiting in line at the Den of Antiquities so we can get the Sith holocron. Wait till you see this thing. I'm gonna go out and say that this is probably my favorite place to shop here. It's the Den of Antiquities. And check it out. If you look right behind this case, here's his lightsaber. But check this out, we just found this. There's a button here, but we can't figure out what it does.
It does nothing.
It does nothing, but it does obviously a button. What is the button for? I just love that pretty much everywhere you look in the nooks and crannies, you will find some heavily detailed figures. I don't know what it is about this lady of the statue, but it's beautiful.
Bright sun. So this is a holocron. The one I'm holding is a Sith holocron. To activate it, you're going to turn it on like so. So our wonderful holocrons, they're actually ways of us getting messages through generations. And this particular one, if we press the sides here, we'll get our message. So nice, short and sweet message. However, I have in my pocket, we must not tell the first order that I have these.
Secret is safe.
Oh, wonderful, thank you. So I have a kyber crystal.
That's a green one.
Yes. So if I place green kyber crystal inside, turn it back on like I did before.
Oh wow, it changes colors.
Yes, now it is activating the power within the green kyber crystal. So now we'll do the same thing as before. I don't know how I feel about that.
That's crazy. Very cool.
Oh, yes. So I don't know about my destiny. My destiny is in Pika by a river. So, but yeah.
Thank you
You're
very
very
much.
welcome.
Just walking in this building is enough. But you can get lightsabers here and kyber crystals and holocrons. But just look at everything. It's like an antiquities museum of the weird, of the strange, of the Star Wars universe. That is bad booty.
Just for this one.
That is just so cool. I showed this guy whenever we were in here for the pass order preview. And I really liked him before, so here he is again. So creepy. So creepy. There are all kinds of things that you can buy here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, from a lightsaber that costs $200, but this thing here, the Sith Holocron, really intrigues me. It lights up and it has sound, and if you put in a special kyber crystal, depending on the color, you get different voices. Because we identify mostly with Sith, we got the red kyber crystal canister, and we have no idea what color is on the inside of this. From what we understand, there's 7 different colors, which one includes the black kyber crystal, which is very rare. Let's see which one we got. Does it come out that way? Oh, it's in there good. We got the red one. That's kind of cool.
Bright Suns Travelers here at the Creature Stall. One of the things that we offer for adoption is our Quakian Monkey Lizard. They do run for 70 credits, and we do have different variety of the species. We have a nice brown one, and then we have this guy, which I prefer the blue one. This one's name is Hamill. He comes with a nifty little plate to put on your shoulder so he can hang around with you. This one's pretty quiet, but typically they will make some laughing noises. He kind of just sits there and laughs at everything. Kind of move his head around.
He's amazing.
He's very cute. He's one of my favorite creatures over at the Creature Stall.
I want one. I want a lizard monkey. Lizard monkey.
I keep wanting to say that the First Order part of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is my favorite place. I mean, come on, look at that. And then this morning when we first got here, how it was all lit up, it was amazing. But in all actuality, it's this whole land that I love. I mean, they really went above and beyond. This line that's right here in front of us, that line right there, is still the line to get on to Millennium Falcon's Smuggler's Run ride. It's like over 6 hours to ride it. Right now it's 10:20, opening day for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and we pretty much did everything that they have to offer between the 2 days, the pass order preview and today. But today, we really haven't gone to see the Millennium Falcon. In about an hour, we have a fast pass to ride it. So let's go take a look at the Millennium Falcon. Get an up close, personal on opening day. It seems only right, right? Now, to give you some perspective of this area, right down there is where the First Order is. This building straight ahead is Oga's Cantina. Look how massive that thing is. And right around the corner, you can see it poking out. There's a Millennium Falcon. I don't think I am ever going to get tired of standing here and looking at the Millennium Falcon. It's just breathtaking. Any time of the day that you're viewing it.
Present your identity card for verification. Please show your identification. I'm pretty sure we do. Now present your ID.
All right. read about this online and I went looking for it, and I needed some help from a cast member. But here on the Millennium Falcon is a baby Millennium Falcon. And you probably won't notice it. It's very small. Let's get in really close. You see it yet? It's right there. Crazy, right? This land is just impressive. It's massive.
No, we're not doing that, guys. That was not part of
I have a feeling that there's probably not many people who are wondering about this, but this is the Black Spire Outpost. So what is the Black Spire? And it is that rock formation right there. That is the famous Black Spire that this place is named after. Right near the Den of Antiquities.
That went poorly. Move over.
You are an ally. Good.
On your way. All right, move on. This area will be monitored for resistance activity. Not your concern, citizen. Not while we're on patrol. If someone says bright suns, just nod. It makes them happy. Affirmative. We have reports that you're conspiring with the resistance. Are these reports true? And if we scan surveillance of illegal resistance assemblies, you'd have no reason to worry? That's good. Stay out of trouble. Remember, we've got eyes everywhere.
We've been here since 3 o'clock in the morning. 3:30, I don't know, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, somewhere around there. It is now our official time to ride the Millennium Falcon. Again, this is our second time. First time was the annual pass holder event. This time, it's opening day.
Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind.
How beautiful is this? Marvelous.
As if Galaxy's Edge couldn't get any better, right now we are inside the Millennium Falcon. This is the waiting area before we get to go on. What are you doing over there, Jessica? No, it is glued down. You can't pick it up. It's all right though.
I'm trying to help.
You can't help.
I'm trying to help. Or maybe I'm just
Not entirely sure what is going on here, but it looks like there is a nest of some sort here inside the Millennium Falcon. Is it a falcon's nest? And here we go again. All the way down to the right, I think.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Flight engineer, prepare this. Lift your flashing button.
Wow, guys!
You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, it's shooting! They've locked on to us. Take evasive action! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Now gunners, shoot the cargo free! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Whoa!
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is breaking, keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep up to the train! Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We've got to get out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing!
Oh my gosh!
Hit the boosters! Boost! Look! We did not die! Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrivers failed! Pilots, evasive maneuvers! We've got company! Chewie's right! If we leave them back, they may find the resistance! You did it! Watch out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
So the second time around, we didn't get to ride it by ourselves that time. Instead, we had a group of people. What'd you think, Jessica? It's pretty intense.
It's pretty similar to last time. I didn't get motion sickness the first time, but I kind of did this time though.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of the right-hand side.
I think it's lack of sleep, and we've been here for about 8 hours in the sun.
We had lunch earlier, but I'm still hungry. That wasn't enough. It's almost like a snack planet. Yeah. Well, let's go see what else they got going on here.
This thing's seen better
Thank
days.
you.
Better fix all that before the...
When you leave the ride, the steps and the hallways that you take, it's very similar to Pandora Flight of Passage. But I'm telling you what, the best part about it is the air conditioning, because it gets hot outside down here in Florida. I think we go to the left. I think last time we were here, in order to get to that mural with the creature on the wall, that was up here to the right, wasn't it?
I don't remember.
We did ride a different cockpit today, and it brought us out in the hallway that it has this monster on it, so we didn't have to go searching for it. Pretty bad booty. Alright, so I think that is it for opening day for us here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We are locals, we live here in Orlando, and this is pretty much in our backyard, so we will be back. For now, we're going to head out to the main part of Hollywood Studios to check out the Tatooine store, because we do believe that is where they have opening day merchandise. They don't have any of that here, instead they have merchandise just for the land. And we also heard a rumor that you can meet Darth Vader now, where you used to meet Kylo Ren, because Kylo Ren walks around Galaxy's Edge. So let's go meet Darth Vader. And now for a bit of a grim dream, or as you might call it, a grim nightmare. You see, we're finally going to meet Darth Vader. 25-minute wait, that's perfectly fine to meet him.
Your search for purpose has brought you here. You will find it when you accept the dark side.
Sir, are you scanning right up at the imaging droid?
Your path leads to the dark side. Search your feelings. You know this to be true.
Scanning on your device?
I trust you will heed this warning. I will not be so forgiving next time.
Sir, scan's complete, citizens. Make a request an additional scan, sir. One on your device.
That was amazing. I mean, don't get me wrong, Kylo Ren is cool, but he's not Darth Vader cool. I never thought that we'd be able to meet Darth Vader here.
No, I always hoped, because Darth Vader is my favorite.
And it finally happened, because Kylo Ren is over in Galaxy's Edge.
He's so much taller than Kylo Ren, too.
Nothing in the Star Wars universe is creepier than Darth Vader.
Oh, the cape.
Oh, man.
Cape. Oh, it was so beautiful. And then the breathing sounds, you know, oh, it's so intimidating. But they had the new photo machines there. They did have an attendant helping, but I still feel like it caught us in between a bunch of his automated messages, so we were like in between poses, but we'll see. We'll see how they turn out.
Yeah, that was your second time dealing with the PhotoPass stuff, right? Like that, the automated thing?
Time.
The other one was with Tinkerbell. We're mentioning that during a Star Wars video, but that was my very first time dealing with
really
it.
Awkward, honestly.
I'm not sure I'm a big fan of them, to be honest. Let's see how the pictures turn out, because you know what? Half the time, honestly, the PhotoPass photographers, I'm sorry, I don't mean to knock it from Disney, it's about like a 50-50 chance. When you get your picture taken on Disney property, sometimes it doesn't turn out the way that you want it to.
True.
So hopefully this changes that.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Wherever I come, bad luck is coming my way. Wherever I go, hard luck is there to stay. Good luck never stays a day. Bad luck's always coming my way.